Today I'm here at Leader Elementary and I am bringing some animals from our Science Resource Center. Really just a great opportunity to bring the curriculum to life and bring it to the schools.
It was fun because I got to pet the frogs and the lizards.
As a parent, it's critical that we're involved in our kids' learning just because it shows our kids that we are involved. It shows the staff members, it shows that the community supports the school. So the more that we're able to support, because the teachers and staff members can't do it all by themselves. And so we want to be here to support them and to help.
It's a great way to be hands-on volunteer. And the great thing with the science demos is you're actually running it. So you go, you pick up the animals, and then you're actually teaching the class.
When I noticed how rubbery it felt like I was holding a basketball, just it was slimy.
So it comes with a slideshow, and we went to the SRC to get trained.
They have to get trained first, so we have a training calendar, and they come here to the Science Resource Center to get trained. We offer multiple trainings per demo. And then once they're trained, they contact their school, let them know they've been trained, and then the school will then set up a booking and book a date to do that demo.
So great because you're bringing that curriculum to life. And so you're bringing these animals over and they're getting to see what they've read about. And they're getting to experience the actual living being instead of just a textbook. So getting involved in our district is actually super simple. The very easiest way to go about it is just to go to the district's website and pull it down to that community tab. And if you don't have a kiddo in the district anymore, you can become a global volunteer. And again, you go under that community tab and you'll click that, you undergo a quick little background check, and then you're certified to go on to any of the campuses and present.